Hi there, Rachel here with Followup CRM. Today I'm going to go over two of the different ways in which Followup interacts with your external email. First, you'll want to make sure that your email is connected. To connect your email, go to the top right-hand corner of your screen and click Your Settings. Scroll down and choose External Email. If your email is not connected, you'll be prompted here to connect either your Gmail or your Microsoft account. And right here is where you can choose when to be notified via email. Choose your preferences and click Update. Great. Now that your email is set up, let's go to a project. All right. Now right here under project information, you'll see this envelope icon. When you click on this icon, you'll get a pop-up editor that works exactly like you're used to working in Outlook or Gmail. The bonus capability of emailing from this icon is that you can use your standard signature. But because this is an external email editor, the subject line auto-populates to the project ID. This is for backtracking so that these emails get recorded right here into the system. So when you're using this feature, be sure not to delete the project ID from the subject line. Otherwise, you won't have record of this email conversation within Followup. Now, the second way that you can email a contact from the system is down here under External Email. Hit Compose Email, and this opens up an editor within Followup. Now, the bonus feature of emailing from this external email field is the use of templates and sequences. Either way, you're able to conduct all communications with your clients right here from Followup CRM. And that's all for today. Happy selling!